Akwaba and found Gala&Sacked TVGH so what frame AY3KA.
Oni party ahụjụ a ompe isokwatina moko. Ghana for asemaba. Samunti di esi takwa NDC for moye ezu takwa NDC for ezu monje meso eza afedi emusu ye wo takwa ya to abawie mu digidi muko pamo obi afi anano so obi amfi amran so nko Ghana for Samunti ya takwa community man na omoye wo ho no NDC for no moti no mojiji load no ya sanso Accra NDC for sanso fi Accra de abase omo de omo ye police for ommesa ake omo wa no a police for no metina amunana no sa na yesi omo ka aba news na bia na wonti eta me bo mu no this atakwa NDC for no so ma no to say no hey what a country. This year, omo nyina hu say gold is ya gold ni ska wo. Enti di obi a bepe bi edi. Na ba ne sen MPP te so sa asem ya nti bi ja. Sisi amran kwa matumu, amran no matu. Sisi o mama youth na kope omo chop money na abo omo nyina because takwa fo no se omo mpene na nkran fo no se omo mpene. Nti I done ntokwa. Kura. Nti amran no matu. Youth na enya kakranka mu youth no so a mu jiji na ma yezu ma so ma no aduane ebom ma so ma no aduane ebom meka sure mo say sankofo we Ghana no onye omu ntimi njai Galamsey na mmom MPP for ni di nti na ye omo ya no na mo so mo hwe obi mu ho ekokoto abade ti a MPP mo de ekọ sisi e se otwe meble obomofo nso meble sisi amu nyina nso na makogu fie o mu nyina na asake mo se mo kogu fie because omum bi amana no omum pese mo bi amana no mpeinfo no nte omo ho ase na saase mo pieti bida ye nti bi mpoda se NDC for ha ya kan so Accra na da NDC for so mo no mbehwa amana no amana watakwa esida na takwa for ha ne ha so kra na da takwa ya kra na da NDC for se omo mbehwa amana no bi se NDC abemo confused political party. This is NDC for baby. Omo who say yes. Me pa kama ye campaign. Masa why ye campaign every 4 years. Mube war rough. 4 years na ebe war 2. Yeah. Mungina one no aduane bom 1. Ochi beble obomofo so beble.
Or not just only 24 hours. He couldn't. He is always breeding people that will cause chaos. And that is why the question is, did we vote for chaos and hooliganism? Because that is what they're showing. Spearheaded by John Dramani Mahama. Don't see him as a peaceful guy. He's a very dangerous guy. In 2020, he went and signed the peace pact. Didn't he sign? He signed. But till date, he was not able to congratulate Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Till date. But on the Ninia Baobia, or Pegan, a year no passing 20, or consider man, no, I am a funo. Oh, yes, Mahama Semna making. Why am a funo? So be a John this engine, no, Gina, and Yana, they were famous or by a press conference. But a Koya didn't have been the 9 yet John Mahama Day. Such a demonic guy, the Assemblies of God, Akatan, who did deep on it, and people are going after it. I say, Mahama is an alternative. Because said the concrase, ko catching crase for say, ye be ye, oh, be she a fua, sabe, Baumia Bejo, and we see a tax. And we see a tax. Now, when them professor, they are all kind of throw, now so just to get vote. Now, there, Yana say. Back to my first thing. Omenya votes na dia no mode. They do nothing with it. Now, nini na no it serves MPP right. Let me come there. Just for a little bit. It serves MPP right because MPP is the only political party that because of Onuankasa internet, you know, or better to the Amanitan for some family kuno. In be that. MPP does that. They do that. What idea be an card bebuano, a boy we crown on kind now radio on fire, Talono Croc or you see? But you see, when I came here in March, I told you something about NDC and we all laughed. But it is true. Senior, if an NDC man steals 30 pesos, Obe making sure say, Obe check 30 pesos, no Obi aden, Obi anyebiadi. Eti ye bodu ya ekonomi ni nara. En tokwa baso a ye ni na abekwa kokon. But ye MPP for no, ebinu be ye nim fefefe. Oh me, oh bibia be okay. Scanish a ho, no they are share in the baby. Utie, na ma ye Armstrong. Na afi ade na bu abonu a walusu awie no, na afi do omu puska na bre oh, kona koka sama he, kona koye we maye. We keep killing our own self. Because no government did the work Nanado Dankwa Kufuado did. It is never true. Me mo be another. E juma Nanado de me say NDC for no kra nde. Onyame aya adoma omo beba power no. Fa omo a record from 2017. Did you hear them talk about economy? 2016, their message was what? Nation builder, meboa, infrastructure king. Then we came to see, said, most of the projects, they were ghost projects. But that's what I say. So now they could, in 2020, they could no longer use the economy, and neither could they use the infrastructure king. Because at that time, NPP has launched what they call the delivery tracker. So now we could see what has been done and what hasn't been done. And that is why it exposed them. So if you watch, the only message NDC carried into the 2020 election was nepotism. That is all they did. Show me one message. There was nothing. And again, this absolute power, I'm telling everybody who is watching me this afternoon and say, this is not the first time they have been given the power. The issue is, what do they do with the power when they get it? I can say some of them. Under Jerry John Rawlings, he had power, but we were in the worst economic shape ever. To the point where we were HIPIC. You understand? We have to join the HIPIC initiative for our debts to be forgiven. Because he came from military to become a civilian. And throughout those 19 years, Ghana didn't rise to nothing. Until the gentleman called President Kufuor came on board. And we started hearing Ghana's name climbing up economically. Before Kufuor was leaving, a price of cement at that time was 8 cedi. Okay? 8 cedi. When Mahama was leaving office, it was 35 if you are in the city, and then 34 and 32 if you are in the outer lands. But today they are telling us that after 8 years, it is 95 cedis, and therefore they've never heard that before. They don't even talk about baby and free. Amona ne ye dem yet to climb their baby draw. And I tell you, it is only 20% me, any economist person in NDC. I'm ready to even debate Adongo and all of them and ask them, say, apart from 2022, all the shocks our country came bare. Every indicator that was going negative, they managed to bring it to positive. So NDC should show us when something was negative and they were able to bring it to positive. None. They want the power. But all the power no more. What do they do with